This could be the car for you. The 2026 Chevrolet Blazer. This distinctively stylish Blazer offers sporty looks and handling, a quiet, spacious cabin equipped with desirable safety and connectivity features, and a smooth, confident ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, hands-free liftgate, navigation system, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control. Don't miss the chance to drive this sporty Blazer. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.